Welcome to Solving Tech Enterprise, your laptop problem solution. We do hardware repair and parts replacements, system upgrade and maintenance, Windows formatting and software installation, damage or broken laptop screen repair and replacements, damaged hard drive file recovery. We remove virus and malware from laptop and we speed up slow or old laptop. Our office is located at Suite A, 33 Mayfair Shopping Complex, Awuyaya, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos. Or call us on 070 10 722 952. Solving Tech Enterprise, your laptop problem solution.